In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Salesforce Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a file upload experience to a screen flow and capture the files for validation and association with a record. Start by opening Salesforce and heading to your Lightning Experience home. From there, click the gear icon to open Setup. If you see an option to open the full setup view, go ahead and choose the advanced setup interface so you have access to all admin tools. In the quick find box, search for Process Builder and open it. You'll see guidance to use Flow for new automation. Click Try Flow Builder to jump into the modern Flow tools. On the Flows page, click New Flow to begin building. When prompted to select an automation type, choose the option that supports screens. For uploading files directly from users, a screen flow is the right choice. Create a new screen flow or open an existing one that needs file uploads and add a screen element to your canvas. Give the screen a clear name so you can find it easily later. Inside the screen, locate the file upload component and drag it onto the layout. This component lets users pick one or more files and hands those files back to your flow. Next, give the component a user-friendly label, what your users will see, and set a clean API name. The API name is what the flow uses behind the scenes, so keep it concise and descriptive, using only letters, numbers, and underscores. Open the advanced section and enable manually assign variables. This is important because it exposes the component's outputs, like the list of uploaded file IDs, so you can validate and work with them later in the flow. Without this, you won't be able to reference those values directly. Now configure input validation, decide whether the upload is required, allow single or multiple files, and if available, restrict file types or sizes based on your business needs. Add a clear validation message to guide users, for example, if they must provide a PDF or if there's a maximum size limit. Helpful messages reduce confusion and support cases. Finally, associate the uploaded files with a record. Set the component's related record field to a variable or resource in your flow that contains the target record's ID. This ensures each uploaded file is automatically linked to the correct record, like an account, case, or custom object, making the files easy to find later. That's it. You've added a file upload component to a screen flow, enabled outputs for validation, and connected the files to a record in Salesforce.